the first step in making a project is actually finding what you want to cut out. And the easiest way to do it is to just Google what you want to cut out and put silhouette at the end of it. That way you have a black on white picture. And you have a picture pulled up of a fish, nice and easy to cut out. Once you find it, right click on it, go to Save Image As, and just put it on your desktop in a folder wherever. Once you've saved it, go to the image, you can grab it, just drag it and drop it in Adobe Illustrator. Once you have it in Illustrator, go to Object at the top, Image Trace, make it expand. What that does is it takes the border between the black and the white on the picture and actually creates an object you can work with. And after you've done this, you want to make sure you get rid of any paths or any borders or edges that you don't want. So the way that you do this is you click on the object, click Ungroup, and that separates everything that's selected in the box. You drag the image that you want to keep away, and then if you can see, there's still an outline here. You just can't see it because the stroke on it is set to 0. So just click and drag anywhere where your image was, and then hit delete. That'll get rid of everything that you don't want. And now you have final image that you're ready to take into another program.